Hey guys, I'm Chef Delz and welcome back to my channel. So guys, in view of the stone fruit season, I'm bringing to you a simple fish appetizer, which is pan-seared fish with a grilled peach salsa. Guys, if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel for more recipes every week. You can even follow me on Instagram at chef_Delz. For now, let's move on with the recipe. So let's begin with the peach salsa. Here I have some deseeded and halved peaches, which I'm going to season with some salt and pepper. Add around a tablespoon of olive oil and mix it up nicely. Then grill them in a really hot pan on both sides. And finally chop them up for the salsa. To bring the salsa together, add about a tablespoon of chopped garlic, about 2 tablespoons of chopped onions, a tablespoon of chopped jalapenos, and some chopped coriander. Then season with some salt, pepper, a tablespoon of olive oil, and a tablespoon of lime juice. Then mix it up and your salsa is ready. So I'm going to use 2 fillets of Basa fish, which I'm going to cut up into pieces, and season it with salt, pepper, paprika powder, cumin powder, a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix it up and refrigerate for 20 minutes before cooking. To cook the fish, heat about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a pan and sear the fish on a high heat on both sides. Then cover and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes or till the fish is cooked through. Then top the fish with the peach salsa and serve hot. So guys, the detailed recipe is in the description below. Please do leave your queries in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, do subscribe for more easy recipes every week.